Hello, this is Deb from the Apple Tree. I hope everyone's doing well today. We're getting close to the end of the week already. Can you believe it? Today I want to work on some Halloween decor. It's the transfer called Creep It Rio. It was our September transfer of the month. It's an exclusive transfer for Chalk Couture, which you can join at any time and receive the exclusive transfer of the month, 3 coordinating chalk paste singles, along with free shipping. And you can use any surface that you'd like. Hi Lisa, thanks for joining. I'm just going to use one of my Chalk Couture boards today that I had a different picture on there. So I'm going to erase that and put the new one on there and hang it up for Halloween. Alright, so I'm going to spray this with some water. Now, even though this dries hard, the chalk paste, you remove it with water. But if you just run it under some water, it won't come off. You really have to rub it to get it off. And just take, this is our erasers that we have. And that helps to get the chalk paste off rather easily. Let's bring myself up on my laptop here so I can see, because my camera or my phone is way up there. All right, now I can see what I'm doing. Awesome. Okay, let's continue. We will get the paste off of this one. And it doesn't take a lot of elbow grease using this eraser. Going to use some paper towels here. Wipe it off. And there you go. That's how easy it is to change out your decor using Chalk Couture products. So this is the one I'm going to put on. I'm going to get my fuzzing cloth. And this is what we call our fuzzing cloth. What this does is, there's adhesive on the back of these, and if you put the transfer on there and then peel it off, it puts a little bit of lint on the back so it's not so tacky, because these have a pretty good grip on them. But that also helps keep them in place, and it makes it so easy just to apply the paste, pull it off, and you're done. You just kind of rub it down on the cloth, and then you want to pull it up. I'll move that to the side. And I'll just center this in my frame here. Now we rub it down real nice. so that all the silk screen is sealed, and make sure that we don't have any bubbles in it. That way you'll get a nice clean image. I'm going to be using these 3 colors. This one is Marigold. I think we still have this one in stock. This is Honeydew, and this one is Purple. We don't have just purple anymore. It might be called Grape Soda. But it is very similar to this one. A lot of times they'll just reformulate the color just a little bit and tweak it, and then they'll give it a new name. So a lot of times you can get pretty much this similar colors. All right, so I'm gonna do, let's see here. I'm gonna do the Creep It Real in this Honeydew. It's like a yellow green. I have my new desk all set up, my new space, and I'm still trying to kind of figure out where everything is. So we'll just give this a quick stir with our handy dandy multi-tool. This works to stir up your paste. It works as a little teeny mini squeegee, as you can see on the end there. And then this end is to help stir up some of the paste that's around the outside or inside of the jar. So we're just going to kind of stir it up here a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of water because it's a little stiff. There we go. That's better. Side. I'll take my squeegee here. Whoop, get some paste on my finger. Okay, this should look pretty good. So then I think I'm going to do stars in the yellow color, and then the bats will be in the grape or purple. Okay, here we go. And you just put some on your squeegee and just kind of pull it down. It goes on real nice and smooth. You gotta work a little quickly with this because the paste does dry pretty fast. And if you let it dry too much, it'll get hard in the silk screen, and then you'll be pulling up all of the paste and none of it will be on your board. Now what I'm going to do is what's called the chalk and pull method, because I don't want this color to dry real fast on me. I'm going to pull it up until I get all of the green, and just kind of lay it back down again so that it doesn't dry into the silk screen. So that's the chalk and pull method. So now I can do these things that are on the outside here in a different color. I don't have to worry too much about the first color drying too hard. I'm just gonna push back down my design here. All right. All done with the green. Let's go with the marigold here. Just stir this up a little bit. That's pretty good. And I'm just going to use the end of this as a mini squeegee. Okay. And then I'll quickly move on to the purple before the yellow dries. And we'll do the bats. That's it. Just those couple. I thought there was another one. All right. I'll just kind of smooth out the paste a little bit. And let's pull it up. And look at that. Isn't that cute? Cute and simple. Just like Bubbles. Bubbles wants to join in. You want to come here, Bubbles? Bubbles. Come here. You want to say hi? Here. Oops. You say hi to everybody? Say hi. I don't know if you guys can see her or not. Boop, boop, boop. All right. You're going to help, huh? You're going to help put footprints in my chalk paste. So there you have it. It doesn't take very long to do these projects with Chalk Couture. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you'd like any other information, just let me know down below, and I will get you that information. If you like what you see here and you would like to get in on some specials and deals, I have another group that's called VIP the Apple Tree. Go out there, find the link, and then ask to join, and I'll make sure that you get in. All right, thank you for watching today. Or I'll put this up so you guys can see it a little bit better. Isn't that pretty? Cool. All right, thanks everyone. We will see you again soon.